Hello, I'm Will Sampson from FDMC Magazine and the Woodworking Network. We're in the shop today to talk about dust masks. You know, now after COVID and everything we went through, I think we're probably all fed up with even talking about masks. But in the wood shop, no matter how good your dust collection is and all that, there are times that you're going to have a dust mask. And I have struggled with dust masks for years, partly because I have beard and I have a prominent nose and I wear glasses. Those are all three big challenges for masks. But recently I just became acquainted with the M3 mask from RZ. And this is a different kind of mask. It is a charcoal filter, and it is replaceable. But it also comes with 3 different mounting systems, and we'll talk about those in a minute, that may solve your mounting problems. The mask itself also has a separate foam insert as well as a metal flex guard that makes for better mounting around your nose, no matter how shaped your nose is. And as I mentioned, the actual business set of the mask just snaps in and out of this cover part here. The mask, when you buy it, comes with the 3 different mounting systems and a spare insert and a nice little belt clip holder for everything. So it's pretty convenient. All of the mounting systems connect with these little snap-on plastic clips. So why don't I just go through some of those mounting systems. Now the 3 systems it uses are over the ears, over the head and back of the neck, and then a padded neck mount. The earpieces are adjustable with this little button that holds it and goes back and forth, and I'll just snap these in. It's really pretty fast and easy to snap the different mounting systems on. So there's one earpiece, and then here's the other earpiece, and it just snaps in like that. Okay, and just like those masks that you probably wore in COVID all the time, it just mounts over the ears. For me, that just doesn't work. You know, for some people it may be very comfortable. I found that it was painful on my ears during COVID to wear them over my ears. But I can't get the nose piece to seal properly, and I still get fogging in my glasses. And it just is not a real stable mounting system for me. So that one doesn't work for me, but it may work for you, depending on your situation. So I'm going to unsnap those. Put those aside. The next method is these straps that go around your neck and over the top, and they're adjustable with a buckle like that. And I'm going to just snap those in. Well, they also have rubberized underneath so they don't slip, which seems like a good design. Now, when I got this mask, I thought that this was going to be my preferred mounting system, because I thought the 2 mountings would give it more adjustable. So I have on my neck and on the top of my head, and it just probably because of the beard, it does not seal the way I like. It's pulling it down like this. And so that didn't really work for me either. But again, that may be the perfect for you. What did work for me was the third method. And let me unclick these. You can see how fast and easy it is to change these. The third method is a back of the neck padded strap that connects with Velcro, and just snaps in like that, just like the others. Okay, and then this just goes around the back of your neck. Oh boy, does that work. It holds tight against my face. Even on the beard, it seals about as well as anything can. And no fogging on the glasses. The nose seals great. Boy, this is great, and it's comfortable. It's not on my ears, it's not sliding around. I can breathe well, and it's easy to take off and on. The folks that make this, they say that the activated charcoal filter filters up to 99% down to 0.1 micron particles with up to 50% better breathability. I really liked it, and I like that these are replaceable, that I can just pop this in and out and still keep the mounting system. It's a great mask. It's from RZ Mask. It's the M3 electrostatic active carbon 3-strap design system. You can get more information online from I believe it's rzmask.com, and a great improvement for dust masks, a necessary evil in the woodworking shop. Well, that's what we got for today. Thanks for watching, and you can see more videos and product reviews and the latest woodworking news at woodworkingnetwork.com. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.